Welcome to ZTech. Today we are going to solve how to fix Windows Store error 0x803F8001. So let's start. So you can firstly go to your search bar and type PowerShell and then right click on it. Simply you can right click on it and click run as administrator. Note that you have to run it as administrator. Then here you can press spacebar and you have to now paste here and command that I have provided in my description. For myself, I have noted in my notepad. So just copy that command and paste it on there and press enter. Then your Windows start restoring. It will take some time, so I pause the video and I show you the main points. And this is how our work has been done. I think my error has been restored or my data has been restored. So if you like the video, please subscribe. If you have any problem, please comment below. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.